Now students, here I'll show you method of the measurement hand span. Now see, अगर this is one stick सा here, so अगर आपको measure करना चाहिए तो आप लोग start करोगे thumb to finger, thumb से finger, again finger, like that. Thumb to finger, thumb to finger, thumb to finger. But if you are doing that first two finger, then making the some different, so keep going. Gaps are there, so while measuring, this is a wrong thing. This is also wrong things. Continue you how to measure it, that I'll show you over here. For example, students, here is a two books. Okay, two books are here. So what you have to do, you have to take the one part, 1, 2, 3 and half something, right? But you are taking that 1, making some distance, 2, again 3. So this is a wrong method, so don't do like this. Okay, let's start worksheet number 1. Now students, I'll show you tools for measure using length. So tools for measure length, there are different tools to measure the length of object. Can you give a few examples such tools? So first of all, ruler, tools of measuring length. अगर हमें लेंथ यूज़ करनी है, लेंथ फाइंड करनी है, तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? रूलर का यूज़ करेंगे. मेजरिंग टेप, सी मोस्टली रूलर और ये टेप हम लोगों ने देखी हुई है कहीं ना कहीं. दैट रियल टेप ऑल्सो आई शो इट टू यू. नाउ standard unit of measurement. So today we will learn about two different standard unit to measure for length. So students, you have 1 minute to observe. Take out your ruler and observe the making. So students, here is a 0 centimeter. This is called centimeter. Okay, and this is inch. जो बड़ा है वो इंच है और आपके रूलर में जो स्मॉल है वो सेंटीमीटर है. गॉट इट? और रियल स्केल ऑल्सो आई शो यू, सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई इजीली. यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर हैविंग द स्केल in our house, right? So this is smaller things are here, 1 2 3 small is there. So this is a centimeter. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सेंटीमीटर. But this bigger points are there. So is this called, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Each. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Each. Now I'll show you some things and you have to measure it. Okay. Now students, look at this. This is a matches are there. Right, matches box is here. If you want to measure the matches box with the centimeter, so how you have to do it? You have to take the scale and starting with the 0. So look at this. This compass box is this. See, 1 each, 2 each, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, and then here is a small linings are there, right? So this one is a bigger line, that means 5 there, 5 is there. In a 1 each there is a, in a 1 each there is a 1 each, that means 1 each में कितनी लाइनिंग होगी? 10 लाइनिंग्स are there. So here is a 4.5. माचिस से वो कितना है? 4.5. Got it? माचिस की लेंथ कितनी है 4.5 each. Okay, then one more thing I'll show you here. No need to write, just you have to look it over here. Now see, this is a, what is this? This is a tablet. Okay, so tablet की लेंथ कितनी है? How many are there? 19.5 सेंटीमीटर. माचिस की थी 4.5, यहाँ पे 19.5. अगेन आई विल शो यू. सी स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अ 2-way टेक्स्ट बॉक्स आता है. सो हमें इन यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. सो कितना है लेंथ? लेट्स सी, 8 centimeter. How many centimeter are there? 8 centimeter. Okay, now this is a books. This is a long books are there. So अगर मुझे इसकी लेंथ फाइंड करनी है तो मैं क्या करूँगी? स्केल का यूज़ करूँगी. एंड दिस इज़ अ 24 centimeter. 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो इज दिस अ 24 centimeter is there. Got it, students? Now I have here one envelope with the photo frame, but I will not show you the photo, just you have to look it. अगर मुझे ये envelope है उसकी सिर्फ inside है. ओके, लेंथ फाइंड करनी है. सो इट बिकम अ 70.5 centimeter. We'll start from the 0 to here 75 centimeter. और अगर हमें पूरा एनवलप है वो हमें देखना है. ये तो इनसाइड जो फ़ोटो था उसका था 70.5. तो पूरा हम एनवलप ही ले लेंगे. सो इट्स बिकम अ 22.5 सेंटीमीटर. 22.5 देखो यहाँ पर. गॉट इट? नाउ अगेन आई विल शो यू समथिंग. If we want to measure this pen का हमें measurement लेना है. So how will do, students? You have to keep the pen here and it's become a 12.5 centimeter. How many centimeters are there? 12.5 centimeter. Got it? One more. Now look at this. This is a pen. Usually you all are using. So we are measuring now with the. So students, this is 13 centimeter, but something is remain here. So 13, then 4 we have to add here. So 13, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 34. Total number are 34 is this, 34 centimeter. ये तो उसका हो गया लेंथ. Now breathe. So look at this. Here is a 24.5 centimeter. Look at this, 24.5 centimeters are here. Got it? Okay. So students, you are knowing how to use the scale. Again I'll show you. This is a book. Is this the book? If you want to measure it, then (24 centimeters are there. So students, now you all are knowing how to use the scale for the measurement. You're measuring things with the centimeter. But if you want to measure the, ये तो हम लोग अभी तक measure किया वो सेंटीमीटर में किया. अगर हमें इंच में करना है तो क्या करेंगे? That also I'll show you here. See. So this is a 9.1, 2 and 3. 9.3 each. 9.3 each. If you are taking the one more books here. So this books is see 9 each is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9.6 each. ये बुक से वो कितने की है? 9.6 each. if matches we are taking over here, then it will be 1, then points will count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.6 each. ओके, गॉट इट. तो स्टूडेंट्स, स्केल से तो हमें मालूम हो गया कि हम लोगों को अगर हमें कोई भी चीज़ मेजर करनी है तो हम स्केल से कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, फिर हमें बोला गया था पेंसिल. So right now I am not having the pencil, but this pen will use and measuring this books. 1, then 2. So this book's length is 2 pens. 2 pens अगर मैं इसको मेजर करूँगी तो 2 pens से मेजर हो जाता है. Right now how many palms are there? Let's see with the palms. 1 and half, 1.5 palm. Got it? So ये तो हो गया कि चलो भाई हमें मेजर कैसे करना है. How will measure the things. Now one real object also I'll show you, that scale and then the measure tape. Measure tapes I'll show you over here. See students, this is a measure tape. Okay, measure tape है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर की है, 3 मीटर की है and 16 मिलीमीटर की है. ठीक है, so I'll open the measure tape over here for the opening. See, so in a measure tape यहाँ पे आप लोगों को ईच दिखाई देगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. दिस इज़ अ ईच. ये क्या है? ईच है. दिस इज़ अ सेंटीमीटर. इज दिस अ सेंटीमीटर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 centimeter. Look at here, see, 3 centimeter, then 10 centimeter, like that. Okay, but okay, so 3 centimeter, then 3 each, 8, 2 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Here is a 20 centimeter, then 13 centimeter, and यहाँ पे आप लोगों को 12 दिखाई दे रहा है. 12 each, that means 1 foot. 12 each, that means 1 foot. Okay, so if this is a pen, उसका लेंथ कितना है? So there is a 30, then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35.5 centimeter and 14 each is there, and 1.2 foots are there. So students, look at this कि एक ही स्केल से हम कितनी चीज़ें वो हमें मेजर भी हो जाती है और टाइम भी नहीं लगता. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इफ़ यू वांट टू मेजर दिस स्केल, अगर मुझे ये स्केल का मेजरमेंट लेना है तो मैं क्या करूँगी? आई विल पुट द हियर like this. So this scale is a 1 foot, 12 each and 13 centimeter. Got it? 1 foot, 12 each and 13 centimeter. Now if I measure this books, अगर मुझे बुक्स मेजर करनी है तो मुझे क्या करना है? जस्ट I put it here. See, look at this. 4.24 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 9.5 each is there. 9.5 each is there. यहाँ से अगर मुझे करना है, so like that 7 centimeter and 18 centimeter and 7 each is there. Okay, if I measure the matches over here, so just I put it here, this measure tape. Okay, So this is 2 each and 5 centimeter. 2 each and 5 centimeter. If I measure is this tablet, so I'll put it over here. Answer is 8 each and 2 20 centimeter. 8 each and 20 centimeter. So students, you all are knowing that how to measure the things with the scale and measurement tape. Today we will learn that how to measure the things with the scale and measurement tape. So now students, your homework is you have to measure the different things, and that things names you have to write in your notebook and send it to me before 1:30. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day. Students, types of angles. So 0 angles, 2 ray, overlap. 0 angle and here is a 2 ray. So angle BAC is equal to 0 degree. ठीक है. सो ज़ीरो एंगल, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, ज़ीरो एंगल. राइट एंगल, हॉरिजॉन्टल रे मीट वर्टिकल. राइट एंगल किसको बोलेंगे, हॉरिजॉन्टल वो है रो है, वो वर्टिकल रे से मिलेगी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे. सो पी क्यू आर एंगल, पी क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्रीज इज है. देन स्ट्रेट एंगल, 2 रे फ्रॉम अ कॉमन वर्टेक्स गोइंग ऑपोजिट साइड. 2 रे है, कॉमन वर्टेक्स से ऑपोजिट साइड जा रहा है, इट्स कॉल्ड द स्ट्रेट लाइन. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो एंगल एक्स वाई जेड, दैट्स कॉल्ड स्ट्रेट एंगल. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, स्ट्रेट एंगल. कंप्लीट एंगल, मूविंग रे completes a full circle. Now overlap with the fixed ray. फिक्स रे में से वापस से ओवरलैप होके जा रहा है, दैट मीन्स BAC इज 160. कंप्लीट एंगल, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, कंप्लीट एंगल. ओके. एक्यूट एंगल, मेजर इज लेस देन 90, 90 से कम है. CAB, सो इट्स लेस देन 90, सो इट्स कॉल्ड एक्यूट एंगल. ऑब्ट्यूट एंगल, मेजर द मोर देन 90 बट लेस देन 180. 90 से बड़ा होगा बट 180 से कम होगा, इट्स कॉल्ड द ऑब्ट्यूट एंगल. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल गिव यू 1 minute, you have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 10 and 11. That worksheet will start now. I hope so your writing portion is complete everyone. Again I'll give you half a minute, you have to complete it. If your work is incomplete, then now we'll start next worksheet student. This angle drawing, shapes, drawing angle, draw angle measure 60. So first of all we have to draw ray AB, then we have to put the protector. We will found the 16 degrees, 10 degree, 20, 30, 50, 60. 60 डिग्रीज है. सो रिमूव द प्रोटेक्टर, हम प्रोटेक्टर को रिमूव करेंगे. वी हैव टू मार्क ओवर द C एंड एंगल फॉर्म बाय रे AB and AC with the number and the degree symbols. Mark it the right measuring. So this is a 16 degree angle CAB. I'll give you half an minute. You have to write this in English. So students, you all are knowing that how to measure the angles with the protractor. Now I started worksheet number 12, worksheet number 11. So students, in the worksheet number 11, standard angles are there. So a zero angle, when two rays making the angle are overlapping, the angles is called zero angle. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Zero angle. AB and BC, angle CAB is equal to zero angle. Right angle, when a horizontal ray, a vertical ray make an angle, it's called a right angle. It's measured at 90 degree. So ये दोनों यहाँ पे merge हो रहे Q में. So angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete now. C and D, straight angle. When two ray going in the opposite direction meet at vertex, vertex को मिल रहे हैं opposite direction में, from a straight line में. Okay, so it's called a straight angle. उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Straight angle. Angle XYZ is equal to 180. Complete angle, when a moving ray complete a full circle में complete हो जाएगा and overlapping with the fixed ray, angle is called the complete angles for a full angles. So it's 160. CAB is equal to 160. So students, here is a 4 types of angles are there. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Zero angle, right angle, straight angle and complete angle. Now in that angles, again here is a 2 types of different angles, acute angle and obtuse angle. An angles whose measure is less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. 90 डिग्री से कम होगा उसको क्या बोलेंगे? acute angle. Angle CAB and angle CAB less than 90 and greater than 0 is called acute angle. But obtuse angles, that means an angles who measure it more than 90 but less than 180. 90 से बड़ा है लेकिन 180 से small है, so it's called the obtuse angle. Angle PQR 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree but smaller than 180. I'll give you half a minute, students. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, so I hope your work is complete now. Your homework is you have to complete worksheet number 10 and 11. Both the worksheet completed and send it to me homework in a WhatsApp group before 1:30. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.